Hey everyone, welcome to a very special Good e-Reader unboxing video. My name is Michael.
This is Peter.
Today we have the Wisky EeWrite ePad. And this has been a Kickstarter, an Indiegogo darling. It's their first device from this company. I'll just give you a sense of what it's all about. It's a 10.3-inch digital note-taking device. It has a deca-core processor, 2 gigs of RAM and 32 gigs of internal storage, a huge battery, and many more, which we'll go over during the formal unboxing video. But let's check out what comes in this very nondescript box.
This is how we received it. There is nothing on the box. There was no outer sleeve. This is how we received the device. It is completely white. The innards are white. The cardstock is decent. It is structurally sound. So you can see on the back here, it does say EeWrite. They are taking a page out of the book of Boyu because this is almost exactly the same layout. It is an aluminum inner backing with a backside bezel that is plastic. You do have stereo speakers on the bottom. They have a status indicator light, which may be a hard reset. I don't know because we've never unboxed this yet. And we have a USB-C. Nothing's on one of the sides. This side does have a SIM card slot because this does have international data if you were to attach your SIM card to it. And you do have a power button / sleep button. So let's look at the rest of the box before we go into anything else. You do have a USB. It is a USB-C. USB-C on one end, USB on the other end. And we have a stylus. And this does look like the same model of Wacom stylus we've been dealing with many different devices. The Jezitech, the Boyu, the Onyx, everything else. It does have the eraser push. It's the same design for the lapel clip and the side button and the pressure sensitive tip. There isn't any documentation in the box. There's actually nothing else but that and the device
we're
itself.
not sure if this is just like the demo unit box that they sent us or the final production box. My sense is that the final production will probably have
some sort, yeah, for sure. But everything that comes in the box as we see it as of May 2019 is as is, and we do have a flush screen and bezel and a soft touch for it could be a home button or it could be a back button, but that will all be revealed in the full review of this device. And you also see down below, it does have its past certifications and it says ePad paper tablet designed by Wisky in China, and the EeWrite is embossed into the aluminum.
All right, so this is our initial thoughts and unboxing video on the Wisky EeWrite ePad. And for more information, pay attention to our YouTube channel, youtube.com/Good e-Reader. And for Good e-Reader, my name is Michael.
This is Peter.
Everybody take care.